In this video, I will show you how to find hundreds of leads within seconds for your SMMA. And these leads will have the email, LinkedIn, name and everything you will need in order to do outreach to these leads. So to do this, I use this tool called Closely. This is such a great tool to do this, and I'll show you exactly why and how you can also use it. Now for the products right here, you can see they have a LinkedIn scraper, a LinkedIn email extractor, but the tool that I personally like most is the lead finder. So they have a B2B contact database where you can find business contacts in the 132 million record database. So you can filter by company type, for example realtors or med spas, whatever you want to filter by, and then you can only search for the owners of these businesses, etc. So I'll show you exactly how you can use this tool. Now down in the description I will leave a link to Closely that you can use to sign up. Now once you click on that link you will see this right here. So it seems the only option is to talk to their sales team, but you can simply click log in right here, and then here in the bottom you can click sign up, and then you can simply sign up without talking to their sales team, although you can also talk to their sales team for free if you'd like to. So then once you create an account, there will be some steps that you need to take, such as connect your LinkedIn account right here. So you can simply click right there and then click add a LinkedIn account, and then you also want to go and connect your email. But now what we are going to actually use this tool for, which is not the only thing it does, but what I will cover in this video, is the lead finder right here. So let's click lead finder. Now this is such an amazing tool. As you can see right here, what I'm going to do first is search by a company. So you can search by company name, job title, seniority level, skills when you upgrade to a pro plan, keywords and industries, company size and prospect location. Now the most important things for me are the things that are included in the free trial, so you can just try this out for free, and if you're wondering how much it costs, I will cover that in a few minutes. Now here under keywords and industries, for example, if I want to focus on real estate, I will put in real estate right here, and let's say I want real estate businesses in the United States, then I'll select that. And for the company size I want 1 to 10 employees, and then the people that I want to target are the owners, so I'll click owner right there, and I'll simply go and click search right here. Now a list of leads that matches up with your filters will show up right here. So as you can see, they have over 10,000 people right here that match with these exact search criteria. So now what you can simply do, in their cheapest plan you get 6,000 leads per month. So you can simply select the ones that you want to have their contact details for right here. And then you can click open and save in the top right, and now you can add them to one of your lists. So I'll add them to prospects and then click open and save. So now what you can do is click on lists right here in the top, and then go to the list that they are in, and now here you will see all of the people. So you will see their personal email right here. For some of these you will even see the amount of revenue they are doing. So for example $1 million to $10 million in revenue. You will see the amount of employees this business have. You will see their location, and when you click right here it will open up their website as well. So you can just check everything out really easily, and like this in seconds you can get hundreds of targeted leads, including their email, name, position and the correct industry. And now another feature of Closely that you can also use if you want is the campaign section right here, where you can create a campaign. And as you can see right now I'm using the free plan, and this will give you 50 lead finder credits, but the cheapest plan when billed annually is $70 per month, and this gets you one LinkedIn account, one email account, one calendar and point connection, and this should all be enough if you just have one SMMA, and then you get 6,000 lead finder credits monthly. So this is also more than plenty for most people. Now in my opinion $70 per month is a really good deal, since this gets you 6,000 leads, and if you would use Instagram for example, this will take you hundreds of hours to get these leads compared to just seconds using Closely. So personally I use the personal plan, and you can simply click upgrade right here, enter your payment details, and then you can go ahead and use that plan. So here you can then also do multi-channel outreach. So what that means is that you can do outreach through email and LinkedIn. So an example of how this works is, for example, first you view the LinkedIn account of a person that you add into your campaign automation here. So this all happens automatically, so view their LinkedIn account, then for example 1 hour later send them a message. Then you can for example say if they reply yes or no, and if it's no you do a follow-up message, and then you can select what you want that to be. If it is yes you can reply, reply or send them an email or do whatever you want. And doing this instead of just sending emails, so automating it through LinkedIn and email, gives the leads the feeling that you are really trying to reach out to them and that you don't just have an automated campaign even though you do. So personally, I think Closely is the best tool for finding leads for your SMMA, and if you want to sign up to Closely as well for free, you can use the link down in the description. No credit card required, and you can just try it out. So now you know how to find hundreds of targeted leads for your SMMA within just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.